Guys, welcome to Kotlin in 5 minutes. Today we will discuss about nullability in Kotlin. So before discuss the nullability in Kotlin, we will discuss about the limitations in Java and why do we need nullability in Kotlin. So let's say we are having some uh, variable private age equal to 30. We have age 30 and let's say we want to initialize this age to null after doing some task. So if we will try to do same in the Java, let's say doing some task and age equal to null. So it is showing compile time error here. We cannot initialize it to null required end but provided null. So, but in Kotlin we can do so by declaring variable as nullable. So I will be showing you in Kotlin as well. Okay. Let's say I have where age and equal to 30. So let's say println doing some task. So if I will make it null, it also saying compile time error. But if I will make it nullable, so question mark depend says the variable is nullable. So we can provide null. We can assign the value with null. So if I will say println age, so it won't throw any compile time error, any runtime error as well. So it will run successfully. Let's see. So doing some task and age is equal to null. So this is the main concept of nullability. So we can make any variable nullable. It means it can store null value as well. So what does it mean, like where we can use it in real time? So let's say I will discuss null safety for that. Let's say I am having age into, yeah, I will making it string as of now and making it name. And let's say I want to print my name first. And let's say like later, where is it? So let's say and I just want to print the length of this. Then if I will print it, so it is throwing compile time error. Uh, Only safe or non-asserted null calls allowed on the nullable receiver of type string. So length is going to work only when the our string will won't be null. So for this we have two options. Either we can use non-null assertion. So we need to use non-null assertion only when we are 100% sure our value is not null. And else if we are going to use this, let's say I am making username label equal to null, so it will throw error here if I am going to run this. So it will throw null pointer exception. So we should use only when we are 100% sure our value in our variable is not null. So this is the non session, and whatever, if we are not sure, so we need to use like this. We are not sure about the uh, length, we are not sure about our variable, either it's null or not, so we should always use null safety operator. So if I am going to run it, it won't throw any exception, it will simply print the null as our variable is null. And if we are going to make it, let's run it again, so it will simply print the length, yeah, it's 4. So this is the null safety. And what about the Elvis operator? So let's say in some functions, let I am saying I'm creating function print name, and I am doing this name string, and it's println name. So we have print name function, it's taking non-nullable string only. So if we want to print this, so we are going to do, we will see print name, we will take it to username nullable, and we will see it's compile timer saying required string but found string nullable string. So what we can do, we can use Elvis operator to provide some um, default value. So we can provide, so whenever I'm going to use this, so when it's not null and we're going to run it, so it's printing the right Yash, and let's say I'm making it null, and run it. So you will say it's saying invalid username when it's null. So this is the null safety operator. We said it Elvis operator. That's it from my side. Thanks.